Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about how to install Aero OS on your Android phone and also see the features of this OS. Aero OS is an AOSP Android 12 based project started with the aim of keeping things simple, clean and neat. They added just the right and mostly used stuff that will be actually useful at the end of the day, aiming to deliver smooth performance with better battery life. Let's start with the installation process and we will see the features later. But before we start the installation process, make sure you have bootloader unlocked, custom recovery installed like TWRP or other, and USB debugging on. I have given the link in the description below to download the Aero OS zip file. Start the installation process with entering into fastboot mode by pressing and holding the volume up button and power button. Now here we use the pitch black recovery instead of TWRP, and if you want to know how to install pitch black recovery, click on the I button at the top or from the link in the description. In the recovery mode, you need to wipe cache, data, system and Dalvik cache. Now, click install and navigate Aero OS custom ROM, and after flash it in your device. Reboot your device once installations are successful. That's it, you are done with the installation process. After that, it will reboot first time in Aero OS. Aero OS provides all the features of Android 12 such as a new system user interface, extend your apps with redesigned widgets, app search, game mode, support new protections like privacy dashboard and approximate location. The Aero OS provides two build options, Vanilla build and GApps build. Google has recently released their Android 12 major updates that come with the various functionalities. Therefore, the latest Android 12 based custom skin, Start Building and the Aero OS are amongst the most popular custom ROM. Currently, Aero OS is available for 30 plus mobile devices so far, and there was lot of the developers have developed an unofficial custom ROM. Hope you like this video, and if you appreciate my work, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.